Now that you're almost done writing your extension, you want to make sure that you're following all the best practices, especially when it comes to performance and reliability, because there's nothing worse than Visual Studio becoming unresponsive, especially if it's caused by your extension. If you also want to share your extension on the Visual Studio Marketplace for other developers to download and install, there are a few best practices you want to follow here as well. Make sure to have a great looking icon and a descriptive title. But most importantly, you want to have a great description. It's important that we set expectations with the developers that we are trying to get to install our extension so that they know exactly what their Visual Studio is going to look like and what behaviors are going to change after they install your extension. Screenshots, animated GIFs, and videos are the best things to convey that message and set those expectations. And that's going to make it more likely that people are going to install your extension. So make sure to go through the checklist to adhere to all the best practices and make your extension the best that it can be.